Okay. Now, I'm going to try and throw these in my mouth. Epic fail. Used to always do it. I know when I was little. Right. 3, 2, 1. I can't do it. This is too hard. Right. Right. 3, 2, 1. Get it. Right. Next one. Green. Fucking hell. Right. I can't do this. Where the fuck is it gone now? Oh my god, I've lost it. Oh no, it's that. Right. I can't do this. Right. This is so random. Right. Oh, this is never gonna work. I just smacked myself in the head with it. Right. Oh my god, I'm actually using M&M's now. I love these blue ones. But I'm not gonna do that this time. I'm gonna turn my turn blue. See? That's why I love the blue ones. Now my tongue going blue. No, green one. 8 out of 10. No. Blue and green is my favourite colour. Mix them together. Nice. Oh my god, I nearly went down the top. Yes, I did it, I did it, I did it, I did it. That's pretty nice. Right. Bye guys. Randomness. Don't even know why I do this. Oh well. Bye.